Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata with the hybrid system, and we're going to go over how you would change your air filter. So your air filter box is located right here, just in front of brake booster, or where the brake fluid would go, and then right here is the hybrid system. The only difference between this and the other model is the fact that you would just have a standard 12-volt battery here versus not having all this hybrid system portion. So there's not much difference between this model or the standard model, except that just a few components are a little different. But your air box is located right here, and so we're going to go over and pop these covers. And then there's two on the top, there's two on the bottom that you can pop, and then be able to pull this cover back and to be able to pull this out. Now, and then so with that removed, then we can take our new one and to be able to put it in, and we can do the same. And we'll get that in there and then line it up. And lock that into place. Now, if you find yourself having a lot of trouble to be able to do that, then you can just remove this one bolt here and be able to undo this air connection here, and then you can take the whole cover and pop that out. If not, and then just make sure when you put it back, there are arrows on this one and this one that line up, and that's where you would want the arrows to line up so that when you tighten it on, it's in the right orientation that it needs to be. So that's how you would change your air filter on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata, hybrid or not. It's the same procedure. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.